How's it going, my beardless brethren? You are not a beardless brethren. You are a cat. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. Will you forgive me? Okay, thank you. Audio work. Make sure audio work. My beardless brethren, thank you for your patience. I have been slow to upload these as I've been traveling for work. But my progress continues. I have been putting minoxidil on my face for 2 weeks now. If you're new to my channel, I have been putting minoxidil on my face for quite a while now, hoping to grow a beard. There's a fruit fly. Minoxidil is a hair growth treatment that people have put on their face and realized it helps them grow facial hair. Buddy, you're not gonna grow facial hair. I'm sorry. Do you want some minoxidil, Icarus? Do you want to try it? I don't think you need it. I think you're good on hair. I started a series once before where I started from a baby face and then I ended up about where I am now. And now I'm restarting minoxidil with the hopes that I can get even more facial hair. Some of us just weren't blessed with the genes, man. We are not deserving of the denim. That's all the genes jokes I had. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe, give it a like, or share it with a person in your life who has no facial hair. Preferably someone who has the ability to grow facial hair. And if we hit 1 million likes, I will try to make my wife grow facial hair with minoxidil. As per usual, I've been using the 5% minoxidil from Kirkland, and if you want to pick some up for yourself, you can look down in the description. As you can see, my facial hair is about the same that it's been. It's only been 2 weeks, so I can't be too optimistic. I did trim my facial hair from the last time you saw me. Just, it's easier to apply minoxidil when you have less facial hair on your face. Unfortunately, a lot of my cheek hairs look long because of their length, but they really aren't that many. The parts of my face I think that really need help yet are under my bottom lip and on my cheeks. It's really hard not to laugh when, I stuck my hand in his ear. I hate that. My beardless brethren, I wish you the best of luck in your minoxidil journeys. Stick with it, and I think it really will work for you guys. Please forgive the cattail in your field of view. A slightly different note, some of you in the past have mentioned that if I made other types of content, you might be interested in watching. I've been making videos on YouTube for 11 years now. I've done every type of channel there is. I love making content, I love being creative, and I love connecting with you guys. That said, don't hop on the toilet when I'm making a video. With that said, I am so excited to tell you guys that I am starting up another YouTube channel. I'm a director, cinematographer, or just filmmaker by trade. That's what I do for my day job. For me, he fell off the counter. I am extremely passionate about helping creators push past their fears, push past the things that hold them back from doing what they really want to do. That's been me for a really long time. Like I said, I've been making YouTube videos since 2011, and I still struggle with pushing the upload button because it's not perfect enough. So whether you make films or not, whether you create content or not, the theme behind this channel will be doing things that are difficult and pushing past perfectionism. And an added bonus, if you like to make content, if you want to be a filmmaker, well, I'll be covering some of those things. I love you guys. Icarus, say hi. Aw, brutal. Thank you for watching me each and every week. I really appreciate you. Thanks for coming back. If you're interested in checking out this other channel, I will link it below, or you can search up Ryan Howie on YouTube. Until next time, thank you, beardless brethren. See ya!